It's a something.
They might bite your finger on it.
Eat my food. Here, do you want some food?
Good job, Maxwell. Good job.
Want some food? Here you go. Eat some food. You can even see.
Look at that yak. Is that a yak?
It is a cow.
Your food.
Yakety yak.
Cow. What do you think it is? It's not a
Eat
cow.
the food.
What else can it be?
A yak. Yakety yak.
Okay, that's enough food. No, the animal. Your food. Eat the food. Eat the food. Eat. No. That's enough. Bye-bye. Sorry. Here you go. Eat more food. Some, I don't know. Ah! Here you go. Eat the food. I don't think you're eating
This one's
right.
hungry? I don't think this one knows.
Are you hungry? Eat food.
I'm gonna boomerang it.
Uh-oh. Come here, you go.
Okay, eat the food. Animals. I don't know. Food! Okay, I think you're gonna be full. Food. Okay, bye-bye. Oh. Oh, more animals. Okay, you're going okay, bye-bye. Warning, horses, donkeys, and pigs may bite. Okay, I will.
Not really, they're not.
Okay, food, eat food. Animals, more animals! Food, here you go! I'm running out of food. Hey, animal! Ah! Okay, I'm wasting my food. I'm sorry, bye-bye.
No, I want to do it. Oh, okay.
Go ahead.
Okay, you cannot see anymore. Oh, it's dark. It's bright.
Go slow, go slow. We're getting to the top.
Okay, are you hungry, little animal? Okay, stop. Do another one.
Okay. Oh, Camna, your turn. No.
Why am I
you want
doing
me to
this
put it in?
accent? I have no idea.
You want to crank it?
Do I want to? Okay. I'm gonna go feed this animal. You want food? Here you go. Here you go. Bye-bye. Hey, little animal. Do you want some food? Please bite my hand. Here, just eat it from there. I'm sorry.
Oh, get closer. Careful, get closer.
Eat food!
No, baby, no, don't feed it.
Hello?
You look so cool.
Okay, I know where to go.
Hi, llama.
Is that a llama?
Yeah.
Llama.
Lettuce!
Where did you put the lettuce?
Do you want a Maxwell?
Where's the lettuce?
Maxwell? Say.
Hello?
Don't throw it in there. That's 50 cents.
Don't throw it in yet. Wait, don't throw it in. See?
I don't think.
Alright, we're just
They're not
gonna
gonna
wait
move for
3
another
million
5 hours.
hours for them to come.
Let's go this way. Maybe we're too far from it.
All right, go follow Auntie.
Oh my gosh, we just wasted our money and we have to wait. Are you actually kidding me?
You don't think they can see it?
I don't even know why.
They're turtles!
Ooh.
Are you hungry?
Ooh, this one hungry. This one, he hungry. See? Look.
Why did you pay $1 for lettuce? I don't care if it's for the experience. These are turtles.
Oh. Come here.
Let them eat. Go ahead, bite me. Let them. Let them.
Are you recording?
Yes. I want to
already
make
bring
a
it down
video. I need content. Nom. Oh shoot.
What's that? It's a
You
tortoise.
could have kept it.
Reptile.
It's just romaine lettuce.
So they say it's better to do it. It's better to do it here. Don't throw it in. Don't throw it in. Just wait. Just wait. You just wait until he finishes that. They said that it's super early. Look, the other one's coming. The other one's coming here.
Oh. Want some lettuce, sir? You should have eaten
They
that
say that
one.
it's early enough that they don't have a lot to eat, so they're hungry.
My feet hurt.
No, we're not throwing rocks.
Hello, do you want a lettuce?
Wait, look.
Stop throwing rocks. It's an animal. You can hurt the animal throwing rocks at them. It's all, I don't care, baby. You can't throw rocks at the animal.
Is it eating it?
Yeah, she's trying to. It's not in their mouth
So
though.
bring it down lower, buddy.
Is that lettuce nice? Yeah. Uh-oh.
Sorry. Here, Maxwell, you want to do it?
Okay, I dropped it.
It's okay. Come here, Maxwell.
Oh, yeah. Eat that lettuce. Yeah.
Come here, Maxwell. Oh, see? Come here.
Kind of
Come
bad.
here, hold it. Hold down. Watch.
Oh, yeah. Okay, eat that lettuce. Okay, bye-bye. More animals.
Group 13, let's get back in our lines up by Mrs.
Okay.
Wagon ride. Group 13.
Feel bad for these people. It's fall break. It's fall break. I guess some people have a future. Group 1 million.
Yeah, let's move the rocks. There we go.
Hello, animal. Eat food. Okay, I cannot
Oh,
reach
they're gonna
and I
fight each
cannot
other.
see this camera angle. Sorry. Animal! Animal! Eat the food! Now! Want the food? Here you go.
Yeah, maybe if I just do the tongue.
And that's a gene.
Oh, look! They don't
Okay.
bite you.
I
They don't
really
bite.
cannot.
They use
Oh,
their tongue.
more animals.
Simon, ready? Are you videotaping?
Okay. Okay.
Ready? Yeah, they don't bite you. They're okay. Look. Hey, be kind.
Ah!
Be kind.
Ah! Ah! Oh!
Hey, let's get away from that one.
Okay, where's the hand sanitizer?
Get away from the llama.
Okay, I feel like actually
following us.
feeding them.
Hey, let's go
Eat
here.
food! I can't see!
Come on, Simon. Let's go this way.
Let's go get hand sanitizer.
No, we're almost there.
Bye bye. Oh, hello. I don't have food. Well, hello. Okay, bye bye.
Life is she's my design. Grab her hair, the greenest eyes. Got my heart like a knife. Under stars, under twilight skies. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Under twilight skies. I just say, Mayday, Mayday, watch out. She took a Mayday to my heart, and now my love is washed out.